Number 1. Gillette Venus Original. The unassuming Gillette Venus Original does a clean and efficient job of removing body hair. Half of our testing panel named the Original as a favorite model, and unlike several others we tested, the Original is hard to hate. 3 spaced-out blades prevent excess hair from clogging the head, as often happens with razors with more blades. And subtle aloe strips help lubricate your strokes without creating a snail trail in your pits. Plus, the grippy blue handle won't slip through your fingers even if your hands are covered in gel. Number 2. Gillette Venus Swirl. If you frequently shave hard-to-reach parts of your body or if you want a razor with more flexibility and lubrication, we recommend the Gillette Venus Swirl. The Swirl is popular but polarizing. Half of our testing panel selected it as their favorite model, the other half actively disliked it. The Swirl has a multi-directional pivoting head that can rotate from side to side as well as up and down, making shaving tricky spots like knees or ankles easier. It has 5 thin blades that some testers felt offered a marginally closer shave than the 3-blade Original but are also more prone to clogging. This razor also has the most built-in lubrication of any we tested, which many of our testers loved for its silkiness and others hated for its tendency to coagulate and ooze. Number 3. Billie. Almost all of our testers loved the look and feel of the sleek and functional Billie, which several testers also found gave one of the smoothest shaves of any model. The Billie comes from a trendy new subscription service that's marketed using more diverse models, with more diverse body hair, than most women's razors. While other razors look fine, or, more often, ugly, the Billie razor is actually, dare we say it, beautiful. It does sacrifice some grip for sleekness, but our testers still found it comfortable to hold. It also comes with the only storage solution we have found to work, a handy magnetic wall mount that actually stays up. The Billie can be bought only through a subscription service, which may or may not appeal to you. But if you do replace your blades at least every month, the Billie is the least expensive of our picks to use over time.